Welcome back to my channel Learn with Ashwati. Before watching my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my page. So have you ever wondered why the India follows the same time even though the sun rises in the east first then later in west? The answer lies in Indian Standard Meridian. Now I'll think about Indian Standard Meridian. What is that? Don't worry. In this video, I will explain about the ISM, that is Indian Standard Meridian, and through which states it passes in simple, easy way. So first, let's see what is Indian Standard Meridian. So it is a longitude which we use to calculate the time of India, which we called Indian Standard Time, that is IST. So Indian Standard Meridian is a 82 degree and 30-minute east longitude which almost passes through the middle of the country. So this helps to calculate a uniform time across Indian subcontinent. So the Indian Standard Meridian passes through the five states of India. So many students feel it very difficult to remember the name of the five states through which the Indian Standard Meridian passes. So instead of blindly studying the name of the states, use some simple trick. So this will help to retain the name of the states through which the Indian Standard Meridian passes. So now I came with a solution to remember through which states the Indian Standard Meridian passes. So the code to remember the state's name is UP in comma. So you will think, what is this UP in comma? So let's decode this. So with the UP that we all know, which stands for Uttar Pradesh, and comma, so the each letter refer the name of the states. So where the C stands for Chhattisgarh and the O stands for Odisha and M stands for Madhya Pradesh and A stand for Andhra Pradesh. See, using a symbol code, we learn the five states through which the Indian Standard Meridian passes. So always remember, use logic and tricks to study geography. So which help your preparation more easier. Learn smart, not hard. Stay tuned for more simple geography concepts. Thank you.